Hello! In this video, we're going to introduce you to Rolljak Signature Activities. Rolljak Signatures are preset activities that you can use as design thinking principles and encourage out-of-the-box thinking. First, the Remixer. This activity allows participants to choose an object and combine it with another item to create something funny, cool, innovative, or wacky. In the Multiplier, participants are challenged to design something meaningful with the constraint of magnifying, miniaturizing, or multiplying the quantity of a single object. The Survivor is a fun activity that challenges participants' creativity and divergent thinking to use an everyday object to survive in a crisis. The Adapter gets participants to recall how an ordinary object is used and adapted to another situation. Use this activity to get fresh ideas from your participants. The Empathizer provides prompts that encourage participants to practice empathy in order to design user-centered solutions. The Upcycler, as it sounds, is all about getting participants to see beyond an object's intended function and repurposing it for other uses. The Amplifier provides a "how might we" statement for participants to solve. The focus here is to get participants to come up with ideas that drive positive change. Similarly, the Eliminator gets participants to design a solution that removes the negative aspects of the situation. All signature activities require participants to collaborate with others, and they will evaluate the responses to see who came up with the best ideas, and you will be surprised at what responses you'll receive from your participants. Get rolling with Rolljak!